Hey, what you're about to see is the first lesson from one of Goalie's video classes teaching kids life skills. Go to getgoalie.com or stick around to the end of the video to learn more.
Today, you're going to learn how to feed your dog. Feeding your dog is super important to keep him healthy and friendly. If we don't feed our dogs, they won't have energy and their stomachs will be so hungry. The first step is to make sure it is the right time to feed your dog. Then you need to find the right food to feed your dog. Next, you need to give your dog the right amount of food in his special bowl. And when you're done giving your dog food, you need to clean up so that you have everything you need to feed him again next time. The first step to feeding your dog is to check the time. If you don't feed your dog at the right time, they might not get enough food, or they might get too much food for the day. Let's practice this important step. Pretend that you see your dog sitting and looking up at you with hungry doggy eyes. What should you do? You can just feed your dog since he looks so cute, or you can check the time first to make sure it is the right time to feed your pup.
This was just the first of a 3-part class on Goalie. To unlock the rest of the course, go to getgoalie.com. Your kids will learn way better on Goalie's distraction-free tablet, and you'll get access to hundreds of more video courses and routines to help them practice too. Drop a like and subscribe, and comment what you want us to teach your kid next.